Hi Morgan, this is a quick lesson on factoring when you have perfect cubes. So I want you to take a look at this one to make sure that you understand that it is a perfect cube. This one is going to be 5 to the third a to the third plus 3 to the third b to the third. So I can see that they are perfect cubes, and it would be the same if it was subtraction too. I'm going to call this term a. And I'm going to say a equals 5a. And I'm going to call this term b, and I'm going to say b is equal to 3b. All right, so that's the first thing you need to do is figure out what your a and b is going to be. The next thing I want you to actually memorize is this picture right here. We've got an a and a b times an a squared, ab, and a b squared. Now the question is, it's always going to be the same whether you're adding or subtracting, but I want you to remember this thing called SOAP. Okay, and that's going to tell us what signs to put in here. So the sign I'm going to put in, the first sign I'm going to put in is the same. And up here I had plus, so I'm going to put a plus here because it's the same. The next one is opposite, so I had plus, so now I'm going to use opposite. And the last one is always positive. So it doesn't matter whether this was plus or minus. If you use SOAP, you'll always get your signs right. Same, opposite, always plus. Okay, so now we just have to fill in with our A's and B's. I have A, which is 5A, plus my B, which is 3B. And then I'm going to times it by A squared, so that's going to be 5A squared minus AB, so that's 5A, 3B, and then plus B squared, so that's going to be 3B squared. Now I'm going to simplify it all out, so I have a 5a plus 3b. 5a squared is 25a squared minus 15ab plus 9b squared. And that is your final answer. So the key things to remember when you're doing this problem is how to set it up first. It's going to be a and b, a squared, ab, b squared. So make sure you get that, and then just do your SOAP to figure out what the signs are. Same, opposite, always plus. And that's all you have to do. All right, I hope that helps. Talk to you later. Bye.